And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 134. Let me show you the object selection tool. It's right here where the quick selection tool is. Right click on the toolbox, left click on it, and then the short key is W. We've got the 4 options again that we have on top for all selection tools. Usually you want to use the first option for a new selection. Forget about the rest if you're a total beginner. The only other thing that's important is the mode, because here we can choose between rectangle and lasso. Let's start with the rectangle and this image. I'm on the image layer, and then I left click drag right here. And I'm going to spare the bottom of the mountain and then release it. It's going to take some time to get processed in the background, but here we are now. So it understood what I wanted to have. It separated the mountain from the sky, and if I use right here a layer mask, you can see that we've got a cutout now. So in some cases that works pretty well. Let's switch to image 2. I want to select the boat. So create a rectangle on top. Hit again, it processes it, and it understood what I wanted. Let's say I want to have this building. Also works. A little bit of a problem though is you can see here the sky has lots of colors, and due to the skyline there are lots of edges. Let me try to select this. It's going to take a little bit longer. And the result isn't perfect. You can see it doesn't really know what to do with it. I actually selected some buildings here. Instead of using a rectangle, let me use the lasso. And then I left click drag over the edges like this. So it's basically the lasso tool again. Selection is better, but still not perfect. Let me switch to the second mode right here. And I'm going to add a little bit on the right hand side using the lasso tool yet again. It's an improvement, but you can see it's a little bit tedious. For very complex shapes, it's a little bit harder to use. But sometimes you're lucky. For example, with this image, I used the rectangle tool. And the result is pretty good. Let me use a layer mask, and you can see that we've got a nice cutout sky, and also water at the bottom is gone. So it's definitely worth trying it out, especially when you use something like a skyline and you want to have a cutout. So yet again, you can find it right here, short key is W, and right click on the toolbox. It's called Object Selection Tool. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.